Revolver handguns, a mainstay in personal defense for many years, are valued for several key reasons. Their reliability stands out as a primary feature. These firearms are known for consistent performance under various conditions. Additionally, revolvers are user-friendly, offering simplicity in their use, which is ideal for those not familiar with more complex firearms. The ease of maintenance is another significant aspect, as they require less upkeep compared to other types of handguns. Built with robust construction, revolvers are durable and can withstand significant wear and tear. Their timeless design is not just about aesthetics, but also about functionality, making them a top choice for home defense. The combination of these qualities, reliability, simplicity, low maintenance, sturdiness, and classic design, renders revolver handguns a preferred option for those seeking a dependable means of protection. So in order to help with the decision of selecting what is best for you, we have compiled a list of 7 best revolvers for home defense that includes all the features important for you to know. You can also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, validsurvival.com. 7. Taurus Judge. The Taurus Judge, launched in 2006, made waves with its .45 Colt 410 5-shot capability, suitable for both double-action and single-action. Its most practical variant for home defense is arguably the original model with a black oxide 3-inch barrel. This variant, with a total length of 9.5 inches and weighing 29 ounces, is notably compact. The .45 Colt round, known for its mild recoil and proven defense track record, offers a wide range of suitable ammunition choices. While the .410 shot shell's standard birdshot may not be ideal for defense, specialized ammo like Hornady Critical Defense, Winchester Defender, and Federal Personal Defense are available, thanks to the Judge's popularity. The Federal buckshot, for instance, maintains a tight, grapefruit-sized pattern at 15 feet. The Judge's comfortable ribbed rubber grips and easy-to-use fiber optic front sight, coupled with a generous rear notch, enhance its shootability, making it a versatile and reliable choice for home defense. 6. Dan Wesson 715-357. A key feature of Dan Wesson revolvers is the ease with which barrels can be swapped. The process, involving screwing the barrel into the frame with a shim to set the cylinder gap, is straightforward and quick. This flexibility allows for different barrel lengths to be used for various purposes, like a 2-inch barrel for carrying or an 8-inch for target shooting. The 715 model, a stainless steel .357 Magnum, is considered the pinnacle of Dan Wesson's designs. It features a 6-shot cylinder, interchangeable 6-inch barrel, finger-molded rubber grips, adjustable target sights, and a weight of 48 ounces with a 6-inch barrel. The Model 715 also retains the classic Dan Wesson cylinder latch and includes adjustable, black target-style rear sight and a serrated ramped front sight. The revolver uses a transfer bar firing mechanism, and the cylinder rotates clockwise. It comes in a hard case with compartments for additional barrels and tools. The tension between the frame and the barrel nut in its design is believed to enhance accuracy, a characteristic for which Dan Wesson revolvers are well known. Made in New York, the Dan Wesson 715 is a top choice for those seeking a quality double-action revolver. 5. Colt King Cobra Target. Colt's new generation of revolvers has been bolstered by the King Cobra, a .357 with a 3-inch barrel, weighing 28 ounces and featuring brushed stainless steel. The King Cobra Target model stands out with its 4-inch barrel, complete with a full-length underlug and a red fiber optic front sight that's easily replaceable. Its design combines a flat, unadorned barrel top and framed top strap, creating a simple yet substantial metal profile. This model maintains the small frame of the King Cobra series, including a 6-shot .357 Magnum cylinder with Colt's unique rearward activated release latch. Designed for versatility, it has an enlarged trigger guard for gloved use and a small adaptable grip frame. With higher sight lines and larger grips, the King Cobra Target closely resembles a K-frame revolver in size and handling. Its practicality is further enhanced by the squeezable Hogue overmolded grips, making it a robust and user-friendly firearm. 4. Smith & Wesson 642 38 Special. In full-sized revolvers with 4 or 6-inch barrels, 38 rounds allow even average shooters to achieve impressive accuracy, with the capability for rapid, precise double taps. However, in a J-frame revolver like the Smith & Wesson 642, the experience differs. Its lighter weight and smaller stock cause a noticeable recoil, but it quickly realigns for follow-up shots, making it suitable for close-quarters defense. The 642, designed for concealed carry, is small, with an enclosed hammer for snag-free concealment, and is built with an aluminum frame and stainless steel cylinder for durability. It features a heavy yet manageable double-action trigger and can accommodate 38 Special plus P rounds, though barrel length should be considered for such ammunition. With basic sights and available in stainless or black finishes, it also includes an optional safety lock. The 642's design, balancing concealability and shooting comfort, along with its affordability, renders it a favored choice for personal defense. 3. Kimber K6STLE. Kimber, renowned for its 1911 handguns, made waves with the K6S Revolver, a compact 2-inch 6-shot .357 with a smooth double-action trigger. The line has since evolved, culminating in the K6STLE. This model features a concealed hammer and is double-action only, boasting an excellent trigger pull set between 9.5 to 11.5 pounds. The standout variant is the 3-inch barrel version, weighing 23 ounces and measuring 7.62 inches overall, ideal for a compact house gun. The 3-inch barrel offers a longer sight radius and the versatility to fire .357 Magnum, 38 Special, and 38 Special plus P cartridges. Chronograph tests show significant velocity gains with 38 Special plus P ammo in a 3-inch barrel compared to a 2-inch one, offering more energy and better control with less blast. However, loading it with .357 ammo can be quite disorienting in indoor settings. The K6STLE comes with tritium 3-dot sights for visibility in darkness and features green G10 scalp grips for enhanced recoil control. Despite being newer to the market compared to the Smith & Wesson J-frame and Ruger SP101, the Kimber K6S holds its own by offering 6 rounds in a similarly compact frame, a notable advantage in the small revolver category. Its reliability, combined with a strong out-of-the-box trigger and 6-round capacity, make it an appealing choice for revolver enthusiasts. 2. Ruger SP101 .357 Magnum. The Ruger SP101, with its 2-inch barrel, shares a similar role with the Smith & Wesson 640 Pro Series, but is slightly larger and heavier at about 25 ounces. This extra weight makes it easier to handle than lighter models. Initially, the SP101's trigger pull may be less than ideal, like many J-frame revolvers, but a simple mainspring change significantly improves it, arguably making it the best among small-frame revolvers. Ideal for those inclined to carry .357 Magnum in a compact revolver, the SP101 strikes a balance between size and shootability, akin to the way many view Glock 19-sized guns as a perfect compromise between duty and carry firearms. Its cast frame, known for Ruger's durable construction, offers a long lifespan compared to forged frames of other brands. The Ruger SP101 can handle heavy .357 Magnum loads, as well as 38 Special plus P, making it versatile for both self-defense and more robust shooting. The gun's design includes a well-rounded frame with no sharp edges, a fully protected ejector rod, and a heavy lug under the barrel for better recoil control. Shooting the SP101 is enjoyable and controllable, especially with 38 Special rounds, and it remains manageable with .357 Magnum loads. This combination of durability, control, and versatility makes the Ruger SP101 an excellent choice for those seeking a small yet capable concealed carry revolver. 1. Smith & Wesson Model 686 Plus. The Smith & Wesson 686 Plus is a highly favored revolver for home defense, known for its L-frame size, which effectively absorbs recoil, contributing to its smooth operation and accuracy. This model, with a 4.125-inch barrel, weighs 39 ounces, providing a balanced and effective option for home protection. Available with either rubber grips to reduce felt recoil or wooden grips for a traditional feel, the 686 Plus caters to different preferences. It features a double-action mechanism and comes with an adjustable rear sight paired with a red ramp front sight, a typical configuration for defensive revolvers. This adjustability allows users to fine-tune the sight for their chosen ammunition, whether it's 38 Special or .357 Magnum. While the 686 Plus can hold 7 rounds, Smith & Wesson also offers the standard 686 model with a 6-round capacity, giving users options based on their needs and preferences. The rising popularity of handguns for self-defense has sparked a resurgence in revolvers, which are appreciated for their simplicity and reliability. Unlike semi-automatics, revolvers are easy to use, without complicated safeties or magazines. Just load, close, and fire. Their reliability is notable, with misfires typically due to faulty ammunition. Additionally, revolvers offer the advantage of easily checking if they are loaded, making them a practical and straightforward choice for personal defense. However, getting the best revolvers for home defense is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.